Hello, welcome back. Sometimes you just gotta do, non-cool, non-Jeep, fun-related stuff, but mechanical repairs nonetheless. The ignition switch on Heather's Sonata is faulty. Sometimes you can't turn the key, and sometimes you have to mess with it for 5 minutes or more to get it to actually release and to turn on. So we're going to replace it. Should be pretty straightforward. I think there's a couple of screws along the bottom, a couple of screws over here. One there, a couple across the bottom, and it should come right out. So we'll see what happens. See what we can do without having to get on the ground and get all snowy. One screw there. One screw there. One screw there. And one screw there. And then there's probably just a couple of clips. Should more or less just come off once you figure out how to release the clips. Right. So there's these plastic clips that fit over the top of the little tabs there. Some of them stay in the plastic, some of them pop off onto the floor, some of them stay on here. So we'll just look for all the ones that are missing when we put it back and see what happens. So there's no destructions. There was a time where you would buy something from the parts store and it would come with, a basic instructions on what you were doing. This did not come with any instructions. However, I think we can figure it out pretty easily. So I think you take the old key, put it into the AC position, and then there's supposed to be a little push lock on the side of the switch somewhere. I think it's that hole right there. You find something you can push into the hole, and then the whole thing should pop out, just like that. Well, I guess you would normally disconnect the battery, but I didn't. Then you take and release the wiring connector. Just a little tab. Push that in. guess it binds. Mom was having trouble with it, and the spare keys we made didn't work at all, so compare that to the new one. Seems to work. So in reverse, you just hook the connector up. Push it until it clicks. Take this. Oh, the other one didn't have a light, I don't think. Oh, you have to also put this in the ACC position. And then line it up. You gotta push the little tab out of the way. The other one came out so nicely, I thought this would just go right back in. Well, let's just do some comparison, make sure they're the same here. Looks pretty much the same. In the ACC position. In all the way? Maybe it just didn't have to go in as far as I thought it had to.
It doesn't come out, and I would say so.
I don't know, now the light don't work. See if the light goes off on its own after a few seconds or what.
I know, with the doors open, I think it's connected like the cab lights.
Oh. It's on at the moment. All right, so then we just check. I don't see any more of those tabs that stayed in. I got 1, 2 here. That one's missing. That should be okay. There's one there, so we should have enough. But it will stay. All right. Put the screws back in. Cover back on. Put these 2 screws back in. Alright, so now maybe it's just going to be on all the time. Turns off when you go to the on position. Oh, now it's off. Oh, there we go. Alright, now we have 2 keys. So, that's pretty much it. It was pretty simple. Even the YouTube video seemed to take longer than that, but so pretty quick and easy. Sometimes they're that way. I like it when it is. Sometimes it takes, 3 days. So anyway, don't know that if that'll help anyone or not, but there you go. Thanks for watching.